From Matchbox Moving Parts, here I got a 95 Chevy C1500. The hardest Chevy truck to find from Matchbox Moving Parts. If you found several of these, brother, you are one lucky motherfucker. Nobody found these, that's for sure. Unless you had some backdoor deal. Or unless you just simply did find them. But opening hood, believe it or not, it has a metal bed. A metal bed. So metal body with a metal bed and a plastic base. The C stands for two-wheel drive, I believe. Bench seat. Really cool pickup, man. Got this off of Amazon. Paid $14. I couldn't find it at my local toy show. I couldn't find it anywhere. Really good roller. Really awesome. Look at the garden. Really awesome. C1500 right here. So I believe Chevy dropped the C and then they started saying Silverado. It's according to Alexa. Thank you for tuning in.